This short video will help you get familiar with some of the new features of Windows 7. We'll cover the features that will let you be more productive right away. Let's get started. The desktop is the main screen area that you see when using Windows 7. The desktop can include many applications called gadgets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools like a clock, a picture slideshow, or continuously updated RSS feeds, and much more. To access gadgets, do the following. Right-click the desktop and click Gadgets. Double-click a gadget to add it. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of your screen and is almost always visible. It has three main sections. The Start button, which opens the Start menu. The middle section, which shows you which programs and files you have open and allows you to quickly switch between them. The Notification area, which includes a clock and icons that communicate the status of certain programs and computer settings. The Start menu is the main gateway to your computer's programs, folders, and settings. To open a program shown in the left pane of the Start menu, click it. If you don't see the program you want, click All Programs at the bottom of the left pane. As in previous versions, the right pane of the Start menu contains links to parts of Windows that you're likely to use frequently. The items you see there will vary based upon your setup. When you open files and programs, their icons show up on the taskbar so you can switch between them. In Windows 7, the icons have new features that make managing your desktop much easier. In Windows 7, when you move your mouse pointer to a taskbar button, a small picture appears that shows you a miniature version of the corresponding window. If one of your windows has video or animation playing, you'll even see it playing in the preview. With Windows 7, you can point to a taskbar icon to see actual images of all of your open files or programs. Move your mouse over the image to preview the window in full screen. Click on the full screen image and you can start working with it immediately. You can even close windows from the thumbnail previews, a big time saver. In Windows 7, you can pin a program directly to the taskbar so you can find it quickly and conveniently rather than looking for a program in the Start menu. To quickly view open programs, press Alt plus Tab. When you press Alt plus Tab, you see a list of all your open windows. To select a window, press and hold Alt and continue to press Tab until you've highlighted the window you want to open. Release the keys to open the selected window. With Flip 3D, you can quickly preview all your open programs without having to click the taskbar by pressing the Windows key and Tab. Flip 3D displays your open windows in a stack. At the top of the stack, you'll see an open window. To see other windows, you can flip through the stack. You can also temporarily preview or peek at the desktop by just pointing your mouse to the Show Desktop button. The open windows aren't minimized, but they fade from view to reveal the desktop. To show the windows again, just move the mouse away from the Show Desktop button. Jump lists are lists of recently opened items, such as files, folders, or websites, organized by the program that you use to open them. You can also pin favorites to a jump list, so you can quickly get to the items that you use every day. There's a jump list for each program on your Start menu and taskbar, letting you find the documents you've used recently or need quick access to in the future. Just right-click on the icon to see the jump list. Jump lists on the Start menu give you quick access to the things you use most often. The Windows 7 Snap feature lets you resize and expand windows more quickly, making it easy to compare the contents of two windows. You can quickly arrange windows side by side. Just drag the title bar of a window to the left or right side of the screen until an outline of the expanded window appears. Release the mouse to expand the window. Windows Explorer gives you a central place to view and organize all the files on your PC. The address bar in Windows 7 looks slightly different from previous versions. There are now drop-down menus after each folder where users can access a tree view of the folder. The left pane shows the Favorites, Libraries, and the traditional Folders list. Click on one of the default libraries folders, for example, Documents, in order for Windows 7 to filter by content type across multiple locations. If there are folders you access often, you can quickly add them to your favorites list. You can change how items are displayed by clicking on the Views button on the menu bar. Move the slider to choose the icon size you want. The search box in the Start menu gives quick access to all your programs, data, and PC settings. Just type a few letters in the search box and you'll be presented with a list of matching programs, documents, pictures, music, email, and other files from various locations on your PC, all arranged by category. The search engine can also be accessed within any Explorer window. Internet Explorer 8 provides a number of enhancements. Among them are tab browsing. Users can quickly launch and close tabs within the same browser application window. We can save an entire set of tabs to the favorites list as well. Quick tabs. If you click on the Quick Tabs button in the top left corner of the browser window or press Ctrl-Q, we can get a quick view of the various tabs that are currently in use. In Internet Explorer 8, the Smart Address Bar improves navigation by providing matches from your history, favorites, and RSS feeds as you type, and it searches against all parts of the web address and the titles for those web pages too. You can also now delete unwanted entries. We've covered the basics you need to get started with Windows 7. Don't forget about the Help and Support function in the Start menu for more information. The Microsoft.com website also has help and how-to information for you.